Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar Navale. My clinic, World Class Dental Clinic, is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am making this video on very simple topic, what are different kinds of teeth. When I am talking about the teeth, it is about permanent dentition. We all know that we have two sets of dentition, that is one is milk teeth, that is deciduous teeth, and second one is permanent dentition. So I am talking about permanent dentition. We have basically four types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, we all know, these are the front teeth useful for cutting the foodstuff, okay, and these teeth are the aesthetic part of our smile. So basically we have four upper incisor and four lower incisor, total 8 incisors we have. Then the cuspids means canines, they are known as cuspids also. Even the eye teeth, because they are located exactly below the eye socket, these are one of the most beautiful teeth in our dentition. They are the corner teeth of our smile. Most of the time, if we are talking about the cuspids, they are useful for tearing the foodstuff, okay, and even they compose the aesthetic part of our smile. The anterior 6, when we consider social 6, they are composed of 4 incisors and 2 canines. Total we have 4 canines. Next is premolars. Just behind the canines we have two premolars. Total we have 8 premolars in permanent dentition. They have 2 cusps and they are also helpful for grinding the foodstuff. Behind the premolars there are 3 molars in each quadrant. So if we consider, total 12 molars are there. These are the biggest tooth in the dental arch. They have wide surface area, occlusal surface. They are useful for grinding and crushing our foodstuff. So this is very simple and small question about how many teeth, what kind of teeth we have in permanent dentition. So four kinds of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Thanks for watching my channel guys. Bye bye, take care.